What is up? How's it going? How is it going? What's up, Silver? XRP to the moon. Jat B, Slava's in the house. Make sure we're good and live. I think we are. I think we're good. Yeah, not sure how many people are going to show up. Second stream of the day. Alright, deck screener's opened. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Oh, we got 10 people in here already. VBA on track to hit 14 cents in your opinion? 14 cents. Yeah, looking at Velo here. Velo looks like it's primed and ready to take off. Wait, this is a futures chart. Why are we looking at a futures chart? I think we looked at the wrong chart earlier. Hold on. Yeah, can you guys hear me okay? Everyone that's in here. Someone commented that they subscribed, but they can't hear me. I need a new mic. What you guys think? When I speak up, all right? Is it okay? $0.14. Where are we at right now? Oh yeah, this thing hasn't done anything. We went over this earlier. I think this thing's easily going to hit 27 cents. It's sitting right now on the 382, back testing, just doing nothing at the moment. But it hasn't ran or done anything yet. So yeah, it'll hit 14. Chat GPT set XRP to 30 to 50. What's up, Jared? Caracas. XCN went crazy today. Yeah, I saw it pumping. It's leaving the station. ACS, Access Protocol. Not doing anything right now. You're sitting above the 236, so the bottom is in over 28. Maybe this thing's going to pull the XCN where it holds. Because XCN was sitting over the 236, sitting there. Yeah, you're over the 618. Exactly. So you're holding double support here, just like XCN was, and you're bullish over the 236. So you got 3 different fibs saying you're in a good spot on access here. Yeah, Access is going to pump hard. If you go look into them and look into their website and stuff and their Twitter, they'll probably have a decent run. A 786 retracement from where you are now, holding over those triple support levels. 4.5, close to a 5x to a penny and a half, 570 million market cap, 2.5 billion to 6. So this thing could probably 20x. But yeah, XCN's been pumping all day. Just the question of, is it going to make it up to the 382? Yeah, she's still moving. Every time we look at her, she's moving up. Just be careful when she gets up here to this 006 level. There may be a wick above it. It's going to get stuck and then it's going to pull back to some degree. So just watch out for that. No alt season yet, so it's not going to the moon right now. But yeah, she's pumping. Made a higher high. Let's see here. CRV. What's up, God? What's up, Jeff? Yeah, it's a new meme coin, so it hasn't ran or done anything yet. Panda says you sound fine. I appreciate that. Traded all day long. Hopefully you're making some money, Slava. Can you imagine if XRP goes to 30 bucks? Dustin says smash the like button. I appreciate that. Yeah, everyone hit the like button. I didn't even do a poll. I was going to do a poll. Let me start a poll real quick. There we go. Simple question. Let's see. We did XCN. CRV. We got Slava for 2. Can I have a shot of vodka? Looks like Slava needs to get drunk again. CRV. What is CRV doing? ABT still in a prime spot. If I had the extra money, or if I had any money, I would put it into ABT. She's just sitting right on this support, double support, waiting for me, holding up the formation. At least she's going to do about 150% move soon. If she doesn't come up here and get stuck. If it comes up here and gets stuck and pulls back again, it's just waiting for me. But if it's going to have that little breakout, 150% move, 2.5x out of the gate. CRV, Curve Dow. Yeah, Curve Dow still holding up too. Holding in our bull flag pattern. Strong move up. Looks like Sologenic, XRP, all these coins that had these large moves. Algo. As long as you're holding in this pattern and you're holding over the 3-2, you're in a good spot here. Just a game of patience when this thing's going to break out. We've been saying the same thing on XRP and it broke out. Getting annoyed with these ads. Alright, got it out of the way. Yeah, CRV here looks like once you break over the 0.5 and 618 confirmation over $1, so 96 up to 104, then she's going to go. To what degree? No one knows. Since we're not there yet, there's a good chance it's just going to come up here like this, hit the 0.5 and then pull back and back test. We've seen that a lot lately. But you never know what'll happen. 20% pump. But yeah, CRV's not in a bad spot. All these coins that pumped up like this, they're just simply consolidating in a bullish pattern. Just gotta hold tight. CRV, 24 billion market cap to $19 would be a 20x. I hope AVAX moves soon. SD says Tommy, how's it going? What's up, Christopher? SD and what else? Haven't had any drinks since January 1st. Keep it up, my man. New year, new Slava, no drinking. I'm the same way. I quit drinking months ago. No more for me. Degen, and what do we say? We're going too fast. Yeah, it's in the description. I say not financial advice at the end. There's no financial advice here. We're just throwing away our money. Okay, SD and Degen, I guess that's all I can find. SD to the moon. Yeah, SD is one of those charts I never like to look at. Oh, she's not looking too bad. I take it back. Stater here, strong move up, consolidating in a pattern. There's a stupid ad again. Holding over the 236 at 115, so she looks good. She's bullish and she's holding up in this bullish pattern. Once you get over 148, breakout is in play. So if it breaks over the 382 at 148 on SD here, it'll probably just shoot right up to the 0.5. Excuse me. Nice little 2x right off the rip here. And then SD, where's SD going? SD, potential new high, maybe it hits $40, you get a 30x, more conservative, 786, $10 for a 546 million market cap for an 8x. 8x is not bad. Degen's probably still in the same spot it was earlier. Same with Turbo. Same with Arc Block, PNG. Yeah. Degen's not doing anything, but we pointed this out on the live stream earlier. You're holding our box, you're holding over the 382, you're holding the trend, you're right here on the bottom, and you can clearly see double bottom, time to go up. So with that said on Degen, I believe, let me see here, I don't remember. Degen high to the low. Yeah, once you get over the 382 here at a penny and a half, I get this to move. Get a daily close over the 382 at 146 here, then you're good to go. You're bullish again. And then once you break this little middle high here, maybe that's when she starts running. It's only a matter of time. Amp. What is Amp doing? Oh, Amp's not looking bad. Little curl up, little cup and handle pattern formed. You're on the daily, so if she holds here, your handle's gonna form and then she'll pump up a little bit. Not much. Oh, it's a large cup and handle. Oh, you just finished your little handle. Time to go up. You're over the 382, bullish over the 382 at 7.8. So this one's in a good spot. It needs to pump up past the 0.5 and break this high here. Break this lower high structure that's in play at the moment. But ultimately this thing's holding up too low to the high. What did it do? It came down and tagged the 0.5 and it's back above the double 382. So it's in a good spot right now. 7.8 is your price to hold. Amp 786 retracement is a 6x up to 4.5 pennies. And then if this thing's gonna make a new high, which I don't think Amp's gonna hit a 33 billion market cap. I don't know what Amp's doing nowadays, but Amp's been around forever. 41 pennies on this thing would give you a 54x. So maybe that doesn't happen. Maybe you come up to 15 pennies and get a 20x. Yeah, the chat's going crazy tonight. Litecoin EFT, someone said. Algo top target is $1. I don't remember what the target is. rising broadening wedge. Yeah. I'm talking about here on the overall weekly chart. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm still learning. Are broadening wedges bullish? XRP still in the same spot here. Algo. Yeah, Algo's moving, but she's coming up to resistance right now. So we're going to see if we have follow through on these things. XRP needs to break back through. Algo needs to break through. I think H bar is probably moving. So 50 cents on Algo is your price right now. You said Algo to $1. That's it. They have all the coins out. They have a very low supply. One of the reasons I wanted to buy it down here when we were watching it, but it left without me. 178% move to $1.35, 11 billion market cap. Maybe we get a $4 algo and you get an 8x, 33 billion market cap. And talking too much. DIA, trying to catch these as they go. He says anything with an X in its name is pretty good. Yeah, that's what I said earlier. XRP, XDC, XLM, XCN, XYO. DIA and Radium. Yeah, what is DIA doing? We haven't looked at Radium in forever. DIA. DIA, what are we doing? Oh, DIA's in the same spot. Higher highs and higher lows in the bull flag pattern after the strong move up. So if it holds up in the pattern here, let's see what we're holding here. You're down below the 382, high to the low. Yeah, you're down below double 382, so you got to hold the 0.5 at 58. If 58 can hold, then maybe it'll start moving up. And then if you want a breakout point on this one out of the pattern, excuse me. But a breakout out of this pattern, high to the low, looks about the 0.5. Once you get over 87 and in confirmation, move down is over 618 at 96. That'll confirm your breakout. Yeah, DIA is still down here. It's down below the 382 again, so it's no longer macro bullish in a bull flag pattern. So it should go up from here. Overall higher highs and higher lows, like I said. And then DIA, new high, 1.7 billion market cap, up to 14, maybe $15 to get a 1920X. Radium, I can't remember the last time we looked at Radium. I know we have a Radium chart. Rad, Reploy, Rari. Come on, we gotta have a Radium chart. Rare, Rareable, super rare. What? We don't have a Radium chart? What kind of stuff is this? Oh, I can't add anything. Oh no. Let me just go through the type something else in we have, because I could have swore we had a Radium chart. Get to the R's here. Yep, there it is. I don't know why it wouldn't pop up. Radium's not looking too bad either. This thing's been going up for a long time. This is one of the coins that's been going up since October. Like what? Can't even think now. Pendle and a bunch of others. Radium, can it break all-time high? I think you said. Right now it's sitting right below the 786, going kind of sideways. You could say this is some sort of a bull flag pattern that's kind of forming, but there's not really a strong move up. But you're over the 236, so low to the high, you're bullish over 442. Price to beat is 6 here. So if you can hold that, you are bullish that short term there. I mean, she's all the way up here. Be 11.5x to a 16 billion market cap to 63. If this is the all-time high chart, this is the Gate IO chart, so maybe it's right. So yeah, I could see this thing breaking this level here, 17, and hitting 20. It's only a 3.5x. But if you've been holding radium since back here in the bear market, since October of 2024, or 2023 rather, hopefully you're taking profit. We got Slava for 2 again. I appreciate that. I prepare physically and mentally to what is coming. That's the way to do it. I've been doing the same thing lately. Changing who I am, my way of thinking, physically and mentally. Preparing myself for the future. What's up, Samurai Style? What's up, Palo? We'll call you Rodriguez. I will buy on 18th of January. Focus Trump. XCN is pumping because it's got to make its way to $1. People are calling for $1 on XCN, so it needs to start moving already. What's up, Matthew? I didn't see you come in here. Got out of DGen. DGen's still holding up. I know it's not doing anything, I feel you, but she's still holding up. It's just a matter of patience. What's up, that dude? Crazy Eye says, keep up the great work. I appreciate that. AKT. Yeah, I'm trying to catch up. You guys are talking real fast here. We got 22 people in here. Just the beginning for XCN. Yeah, what kind of legal problems is Cardano having? Is Charles screwing up over there? Let's see. Huge CH on NCT Daily View. What is a CH? Oh, cup and handle. On Polyswarm. I think most of these coins have the same thing. Oh yeah. You'd see a huge one on the weekly. Man, these ads are getting annoying. Yeah, what does Polyswarm look like on the monthly? Yeah, a lot of times we zoom out to the monthly charts here and these things look good. Holly Swarm looks like it's ready for a bull market. Yeah, someone asked for Velo earlier. I'm so bullish on Velo. Look at it on the monthly. But just looking at it here, this thing's holding the trend. She's curled up. She's making higher high. She just made a higher high once again. Looks like a big cannon or a big rail gun or something. It just looks like it wants to go vertical. If Velo does not go vertical from here, then we got a problem. At least to a degree. It needs a nice run up. Oh, VAR's holding on for dear life. Oh, she's starting to break down a little bit here. Got to keep moving the goalpost for Vara. Yeah, Velodrome's in the same spot. So what is Arrow doing? I know we're not bullish on Arrow anymore at the moment. Well, no, yeah, we are bullish on it. It did come back down and tag. That's right. Yeah, now I remember. Be a lot better if I could pull up the 3-day candles, but I can't. Yeah, Velo came back, completed the mission, hit the trend, 0.5 back above the 618. It's time to go up, make a higher high. On Arrow, I mean. So possibly Arrow's target could be a 3x from here. 190% move to 386. Could be. Yeah, Degen, it's holding all our support. It needs to. It's in a large W double bottom pattern. It looks like it needs to go up now. Let's see, what is that? Galax. What was Galax Games doing? Oh, what is that one coin doing? Axie. Yeah, Galax Games is still doing nothing. It's just sitting down here going sideways. Oh, Axie Infinity's still down here at the bottom. Does anyone still play this game? Remember, this was huge last cycle. She came down and just been going sideways forever. There's nothing bullish on it right now at all. Is Axie gonna run? And there are a lot of celebrities tied to Axie. ArcBlock is a US based company. Is it really? Monkey says XCN cute pump. LCX is going. LCX and Flare, yeah, we looked at those earlier. Not quite a breakout yet, but she's pumping. If you could break over this 236, man, it's. Yeah, if LCX can break over 27 here, then that might signal your breakout. Yeah, what is H bar doing? H bar, Hedera. Yeah, H bar is going now. We've been waiting for it forever. Seems like, but they're finally going. So where's H bar going? H bar gonna come up here and make a new high before it gets stuck. Another 50% move on H bar. Incoming. Switched your DG into XCN up 5x already. That's good, my man. You think the reason ADA is not blowing up is because of IOG? What is IOG? Yeah, we looked at Cardano. We've been looking at Cardano. It doesn't look bad. It had a strong move up. She's about to start going too. As soon as you break over this 113.618 area, that's potentially getting your breakout point. Looks like it's trying to break out now. What's up, Jason? Casper. What was the one coin? There was something we keep looking at. A couple of them that are just going to zero. Let's see. We got two Casper charts for some reason. Okay, that's not. Is that the right chart? No, let's look at the other one. Casper OKX chart. This has to be the right one. Oh, we're on the monthly, no wonder. Yeah, what's the all-time high for Casper? Because it has a huge wick on this chart. I think we should have it fixed. I don't remember, but we have it down here for some reason at 24. I'm going to have to make a new Casper chart at some point. Can't do it today until I get this fixed. But Casper, strong move up. Looks like some sort of a falling wedge. Bull flag pattern is forming. You're just simply consolidating. You're over the 236 at 1.5. Once you get over 2, you're good. If Casper going to go up though, because it had a bottom in here and then it broke it, back tested it, double topped, and now she's sitting here over the 3.2. So 1.5 is your price to hold. 1.4 to 1.5, and then 2.5 is the price to beat at the moment to be bullish again on the macro. And if this chart is correct, like I said, 65.1272 new high would be a 37x almost. 7 billion market cap. Or a 6.5x up to 11. Depending on if it holds up here. XCN is blown up. XCN read the white paper. Yep, XCN and Algo are two of the coins that forever now we've been following and wanting to get in on. At least me anyway. I was hoping we would wait longer to get these moves up. And she is pumping. She pumped more from 10 minutes ago when we looked at her. Yeah, just be careful here. We said the same thing on so many. Hold on, I don't know what's wrong with my throat. But we said the same thing on so many different things that pumped. When you come to resistance, there's a good chance you get a little wick over it. You're bullish, you think it's going, and then it just stops and comes back down. So make sure you guys are taking profit. Especially you guys that bought in on XCN down here at the bottom when we were covering it. Being so bullish on it right in here. When this thing does an 800x for you guys, Make sure you remember me. Well, it's no longer an 800x or 600x, it's 163x to 8788. $200x if it goes to $1, like people are calling for. And if you think it's going to 10 pennies, a 18.5x. Yeah, XCN's looking good right now. Yeah, everyone's bullish on XCN right now. I don't know. I always said these old coins, XRP, HBAR, XEN, LC, or not XEN, XLM, Stellar, Cardano, all the old coins from last cycle. I was under the impression they're only going to do maybe 5 to 10x's, maybe 10x's if you're lucky. 5 to 10x. HBAR's already done a 6x, 7x really. So from where it is now, if it comes up here to $1.23, another 2.5 or another 3x up to 47 billion, and pretty much from the bottom, 22x, depending on where you got in on this thing. So you're above the 786 on the chart here, so another leg up. We're not done yet. I don't see why it wouldn't come up here. So we were wrong, or I was wrong. All these old coins are going to do 20x's. Same thing with XRP. Every time we looked at XRP or covered XRP, I remember it like it was yesterday. We were looking at it in here, in this very large triangle pattern, if you can see that before it took off. And then I think it was, I don't know if it was at 18, somewhere where we draw, we're getting stuck right at the 0.5 there, and maybe it was 2021. Thought it was a 382. Anyway, but it was getting stuck all here, and I said once this level breaks, she's gonna start going, and she's going. And now XRP's already done what from out of this level? See, she's already done her little 5x, 6.5x already. So she should be done, but apparently, obviously, it's not done yet. So it's on its way to a total of a 10x, maybe to $8, maybe higher. Slava says it's going to 30 bucks. So that is that 20x. Jeez, that's a 60x. Same thing with Algo. All these older coins are just, they're front running the market right now. That's what I said last time. What if these coins run and then we have just a little baby move off of the other coins? Wouldn't that be something? The big old coins do the 20x's plus, and then the newer coins do the little 5x's, and that's it. What are we looking at? XRP, ASM. Yeah, ASM. Even looking at ASM on the monthly. Just look at it on the monthly. It looks extremely bullish. Big old double bottom with a higher low. She's about to rip. Yeah, ASM is pumping. Yep, she's breaking over the high, so I guess we got to take this off now. Yeah, she's coming up to that 666 resistance. It's a double 618 here, by the way. So if you can manage to get up over this and stay over it, then that's good. But double 618 at that 666 number. But if you can get up here and get a daily close, maybe we're good. But yeah, ASM's another one. Continuation, consolidation, and she's pumping now. Dang, are we back? Everything's starting to move now. Everything's moving. Everything's starting to move. Yeah, if XRP goes to $20, then I don't know what to say. But yeah, let's see here. How's the poll? 64% are making money. 36% no. 33% I guess didn't buy. We didn't buy XRP or XCN or Algo or ASM. Pretty much all these coins we've been talking about and covering forever now, they're all moving now. It's going to be over before we know it. Yeah, because we were looking at a lot of these coins down at the bottom doing nothing forever. And now we're here, we're pumping. Getting the first leg up. Yeah, Casino Coin, you're above the 236, so the bottom is in. You had a triple top, you know this. This is the best chart I could find on it, by the way. The BitTrue chart. I don't know why is this coin so popular? Well, not that popular, but it gets okay views on the channel here. Better than some things we cover. But you're down below the trend, you hit it, you pulled back, you're down below the 236, no longer, or 382, so you're no longer bullish, but the bottom is in at the moment. And she's curling up a little bit, looks like she's about to die. Sitting right on the 0.5 above the 618, so any lower than the 236 at 1.5, then there's a possibility you go down. But if you look at it on the weekly, strong move down here, and then you just formed what potentially could be a bear flag, continuation down. So move up, not a good look. So if it does start breaking down from where it is now, below the 0.5 at 1.7, 1.5 has to be the bottom. And she's going all the way back down. Just rolled profit into ASM. John said he's sitting in the waiting room, waiting for your ticket to be called. AKT getting ready to break out. Yeah, I'm the same. I mean, if I was to get in on a ARC block right now, if it just did that little 150% move, just put my whole check on it and just wait a day or two to see what happens. With my luck, it would go to 0. I just need my check to double. I just need a little 150% pump. But you guys know when I buy something, it dies, like DGen. AKT getting ready to pump. Broke the downtrend. It's making higher highs and higher lows now. Down below the 786, so we'll just keep it simple. I don't know. She's above the 0.5. It looks just like, looks exactly like what we just looked at. Casino coin. But just keep it simple. You tag the 618, you're back above the 0.5, so 3 is your price to hold. Bullish back over 340, and then break out over the 786.236 here to the upside. But as for getting ready to go, I don't know. It's clearly holding the overall trend. Yeah, could be. Large cup and handle. Is this a macro cup and handle pattern? Once you break over the 786, this thing's gonna fly all the way up to the 1618. It's heading for 90 bucks, $96. 25x, 26x, no. 30x. But yeah, the chart looks just like Render, like FET. These things that have been just going up forever, they pulled back, now they're bullish again. And you could also even argue your neckline, your shoulder, your head, your shoulder. Inverse head and shoulders, so another bullish thing on AKT. If Naka passes $7, it goes to 20. Oh, Nakamoto. If Naka goes to $7. Yeah, see, this thing has the same setup too that we just went over. If I can pull the right button up. Yeah, there's no other fibs in between. You can mess with all the settings you want, but after the top, the 1272 is the next stop. That's potential. It does not have to hit it. But yeah, that's what the chart tells us here. But same setup on this one. Looks just like Render and FET and to a degree. You got Slava for 2 again. I appreciate that, my man. Slava in here with the support. Compound. Compound. When's the last time we looked at Compound? Compound is doing nothing but curling up. Doesn't look bad. Higher highs and higher lows. It's just this big old curl up on this thing. We must have looked at it recently. Just down below the 382. Is this another one with a large cup and handle type of a pattern here? Whew. Yeah, Compound had that same formation down here. I guess we looked at it because we have a green line here. Yeah, and yet another one. You had that pump up and now you're just holding the 0.5 at 70. Bullish over 83 and then more bullish over 94. But yeah, decent little move up, so you could call this a falling wedge, I guess, or a bull flag. What do you call this? Little falling wedge formed. So if you hold the 0.5, you could get a breakout to the upside. Quick measured move. Takes you up to the 618. On the next move up. Yeah, we haven't looked at this chart in forever. It's got old market cap. But I guess we underestimated these old coins. So getting ready for almost a 3x if it breaks out of this pattern and continues going. That would also give it the higher high. Shadow. What is Shadow doing? Yeah, a lot of these we've been looking at, I think, on the 3-day charts, but I can't pull that up. Kind of sucks right now. Low to the high. Let's see. Yeah, you're down below the 618, right on the 236 support. So 4.4 is your price to hold, or you're going to drop to 3.5, and 4.8 is your price to get back over. But yet another one would that little strong move up and then the pull back, of course. You see that on a lot of things, but you're holding support. The bottom is in right now. And then where's this thing going? Bullish back over 64, breakout confirmed over 117, and then potential new high on this one to $6. Where is it? 47. If this thing come up here and hit $6, you get a 13x. Yeah, I guess this is another one we need to build a chart for. Shadow token. Because when I build a chart for them, then I can look at the website and stuff and I know what they are. Then I can kind of judge where they're going to go potentially. What'd you say? Oh, Bonk. I don't know about Bonk. We were so bullish on Bonk for so long. And the pattern pretty much kind of broke. Now it's just a large channel. But it decided to break out at the wrong time. But Bonk right now, as long as you're above the 1414, it looks like you're coming back down to the bottom of the channel and you'll get a bounce back up. If it's going to stay alive here. I guess it's just overall curled up. If we weren't in a bull market, then I would say upwards channel here probably about to die. So I would just simply say as long as you're over 2.0, you're alive. You fall below that, you come down to this 1.2 area, that's probably going to tell you it's over for Bonk. She had a nice run. She had a nice life. Yeah, and you're pretty much sitting right now on that candle wick, right on the 0.5 at 2.4. So any lower than 2.4, 2.0 comes into play. Bottom of the channel. But Bonk since October, when a lot of things flipped bullish. Yeah, see Bonk, if you're holding Bonk from before October, you got a 300x already. So how much higher can it go? That's the big question I have on Bonk right now. Someone asked the other day, Turbo or Bonk? Which one would you buy? I'd probably buy Turbo. Even though it's up a lot, it looks a lot better than this. To me, anyway. Another 5x to the 2 here, 10.5 billion market cap. But the influencers say 50 billion market cap on Bonk and all these other coins. So maybe she's got another 20x left in the tank. Why not? You already did 300x the last couple of years. I don't know. Bonk just has an odd chart. It came out and just went straight up, and now it's got this channel here. It's like, what are you doing? But yeah, I think Bonk's gonna go up. Just needs to break out of the channel and start moving at some point. Question is it gonna go vertical again like this when it does go? Wouldn't that be something? Just shoots up all the way up here to a 50 billion market cap, along with all these other coins. Support the channel, guys, he says. XCN's on fire. You got a few compound. Can H bar hit 10 bucks? Didn't we just go over H bar? Like I said, I don't know. XRP is going to 20 bucks, then why not? What do we have? 40 cents? 10 bucks. I would say no. I would say no, but you know, there's no telling, like I said. What are you guys in the chat thinking? H bar hit $10 from 40 cents. Arrow Bud. Is that a deck screener coin, huh? You hope it goes up, not down. Yeah, I think it will. It's just, it disappointed me. We got Slava again for 2. I appreciate that, my man. Aerodrome, please. Arrow. Oh yeah, we looked at Arrow earlier. I think you were gone. I appreciate the 2 again. Yeah, Arrow did what it needed to do. It came down, it tagged the trend perfectly, and it's time to go up. Time to make a higher high. You're back above the 618 at 120. Once you get over 162, new high potentially is either a baby high, or the 1272 is up next at 386, 187% move from where you are now. So a decent move on Arrow coming up. The fact that it came down and it tagged our trend line just perfectly on that wick, it's just kind of crazy. But yeah, it came down and made the higher low, and now it's time to make the higher high. And you're back above the 382, so you're over double support. 119, 120, you're good to go. You're bullish. Time to move up on Arrow. Yeah, and for you guys that weren't here earlier, well, where are we at? Arrow Bud. Yeah, what was the one? Was it Blue Foster? I think it's Blue Foster. I don't remember. But yeah, we'll look at Arrow Bud. Yeah, Blue Foster's kind of dying right now, even from earlier. Oh yeah, you're right on the final support level here. Down. Why can't this just wait? Hopefully it comes down here and just sits and goes sideways. If it holds up, it goes sideways here, which you can see it did drop from earlier. And this Blue Foster coin, This is your 1000x potential. So Blue Foster, wait till it hits 9.5, throw $50 at it. You got 1000x. Man, God, I hope this thing waits for me. I don't know if it's gonna go up, but I'll gamble $50. Yeah, that's 50 grand off a $50 investment. If you just throw it at this thing, potentially hitting the bottom, it could go lower. Keep that in mind. Doesn't look good at all at the moment. But once this thing bottoms out, we're gonna see it. Sneck is very bullish. Same thing with Win. Anita Max Win. Drake's about to have his concert in February, like February 2nd. Anita Max Win Tour. This chart looks good. It's at the bottom. So once people start tweeting about it and talking about it again, this thing's going to go to the moon. Yet again, 50, $100 on this one. 150x. It's probably very likely on Win. I just need these coins to wait 6 more days. So don't buy them, please. Not financial advice. Oh, Billy's still dying. Alright, Arrowbud. I didn't see it, so we'll just type it in. Arrowbud. What's Arrowbud doing here? Yeah, she's still coming down. So your support is going to be 1.5, 1414 here on Arrow. Yeah, you're down below the 236 now. So not looking the greatest on Arrowbud at the moment. We'll see if this 1.6 holds for a nice little bounce. Yeah. Down 75%. Top there. Could very well get a nice bounce off of that 1414 there and go right back up. AKT $40 to $90. Yeah, I'm salty. I missed XCN. Let's see here. Just be careful, like I said. Oh man, she's up there. Oh Lord. Dang. Cannot believe I missed XCN. I'm looking at it every day, sitting here holding support, saying it looks so strong. Now she's ripping. It's unfortunate. What can you do though? I'll catch something. I'll catch something. I know I will. Oh, I wish I could go down to the daily chart on this, or the 1 minute candles. Yeah, I didn't think I could, but I did. Well, we got the wick above. He says everyone buy it. 50 cents is my target. What are you guys talking about? $0.50 on XCN. Don't forget AI. What's up, Maddie? Physical robots AI. Robotics AI. I didn't know that was a thing. Centaya. Is that a coin? Don't worry, Krypton Dead. We as a community will reward you. I appreciate that, but you guys don't have to do that, but I appreciate the thought. Remember, none of this is financial advice, so you guys are doing it on your own. What's up, God First, XCN? Everyone's so bullish on XCN right now. Everyone's piling into XCN. This is what we've been talking about, though. You never know when it's going to happen. You never know. It just happens. We'll see how high this candle goes. Maybe it'll pull the XRP and Algo and all these other coins. Maybe it'll just be up here tomorrow, hitting the 618. So yeah, just watch it closely. I mean, especially a 618. If it comes up to the 618, it's all the way up here, and you're getting above it. Just make sure you take some profit. Because the fact that all season hasn't started yet, if this thing was to pump all the way up here and hold and then pull back and go sideways in form of consolidation, that would be very bullish. But just know 618 would, that's where it gets stuck. And just know also there's a lot of people that draw the same kind of charts like this, and they're watching this. They know it's hitting resistance. A large candle like this spawning in. Dang, 140%. Jeez. Alright, we'll keep looking at it, but as of right now, it's kind of getting stuck. We'll see what happens. No, I'm just letting you guys know we said the same thing on Polyswarm and everything else that had ever pumped, and we've watched it here. Just be prepared. A little wick, maybe a giant wick over, but then it just gets stuck and it's over. Not telling you guys to sell or do anything. Just make sure you take profit, not financial advice. At least a little bit. Because clearly XCN has buyers. Clearly it's bullish. So even if you take profit here, even if it pulls back, even if it holds here, whatever it's going to do, at least you get some profit out of it. It made the higher high here. Same thing we saw on Polyswarm and so many others. They came up and pumped, SPA, AVT. But I hope it keeps going for you guys. But we've sat through this time and time again. And the fact that it's not alt season yet. ETH hasn't moved. The dominance is up. Don't expect this thing to just keep going to the moon right now. Just trying to help so you guys make it out the best you can. And again, not financial advice. So what's tied to XCN? What coin should be pumping with XCN? Is it tied to anything? XCN over, too much supply. Yeah, I believe it's just getting started too, but there's always going to be pullbacks. I mean, if you're holding XCN to a certain target up here, by all means, hold. If I didn't have to worry about taking profit and having the money, I would probably hold it easily to the 618 and see what happens from there. But I would already been in down here where we were watching it and see where it hits. But I've been seeing more and more YouTubers covering XCN, and they're calling for $1. So if it goes to $1, then congratulations. Jeez. What is that? A 70? What is that? Wait, why are we down at the bottom? Yeah, you guys remember we were looking at XCN way back in the day. When it used to be a 6-700X. Now that 6-700X up to this moonshot gamble is 150X. He says he's excited. Yeah, I know you guys know it's not financial advice. But yeah, when you get excited and you're making a lot of money, just kind of take a step back and weigh everything that's going on. Now, if ETH was pumping right now and the dominance was still falling, I would say just hold. Because we know alt season was here, but ETH is doing nothing. We got Maddie for 5. I appreciate that, my man. I found a physical AI coin I like, yet it's a new narrative along with DeFi IA coins. Physical IA started about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, what's the name of the coin? Physical IA. Oh, you haven't found. All right, we'll keep that on our radar. A new narrative. Yeah, these AI narratives are just popping up, and XCM pumping like NCT did. Yeah, that's what I keep saying. A lot of things we look at. Yeah, ASM's really looking good right now. She's moving. Yeah, ASM does not look bad. That's what we covered or went over earlier. A lot of these coins look like they're ready to go. Yeah, ASM's bullish right now. Jeez. Out of the pattern, out of the strong move, out of the double bottom here. There's nothing bad on ASM right now. Just the double resistance. The evil double resistance on ASM 666 here, double 618. Be careful. It's gonna get you. But if ASM can get up over that, get a daily close over 666, then you may have a winner. Yeah, I feel the same way. I don't think XCN is going to hit $1. PNG still in the starter blocks. Yeah, PNG and ABT are still waiting around. Arc block fell again. Arc block's waiting for me. So you gotta wait a couple weeks. I hope it just sits here and does nothing. Oh no. Oh no. Why is Arc block falling? Just right on that final support. Wait, why is our thing moved? There we go. Yeah, I've been saying this forever. As long as you're over 117, you just made a lower low. That's not good. But we've seen these before. We've seen these things hold up. The ones that held up for a very long time in this same little pattern here, as we keep saying over the time. This one first post. That's why we started calling it the bed post. The bed. What was it? The bed for the dead here. Because you're just laying, you're doing nothing, you're sleeping, you're dead, and then you become undead and you wake up and you go. We've done this many a times, and then a lot of times when they're in it for so long, at some point they'll just all of a sudden make a lower low and then they'll just rip. Seen that many times. And I said that before. If this thing falls below this, I like the price here. But if we get a nice wick below this and it looks like it's going to zero, that's probably the best time to buy. Because then it'll just rip out of here. But she's still holding at the moment. Yeah, what is AOS doing? PNG still in the same spot. PNG's holding strong. It held strong all here, now it's holding strong again. And then AOS to the moon. Let's see. What is AOS doing? AOS is pretty much doing the same thing PNG is doing, just on a weird scale. It's still up here, low to the high, holding over the 382. It's back over the 236 at 96. So you're bullish here. It looks like all of these Coinbase coins are just waiting. I don't know what they're waiting on, but they're sitting here waiting. Key is a physical AI, but market cap is 373 million. Price is 0.4. The price should be a lot higher with that market cap. Yeah, maybe since it's new, might have to give it a little bit of time. But you never know. If you find something new like that and you find the narrative, maybe buy that coin if you can, and maybe you'll be one of the early buyers of it. Another dose of speed says great show. I appreciate that. Welcome here. I appreciate you guys being in here. We got 20 people steady in here. Where's all the XCN Moon Boys? Sup, Tony? NCT update. Bitcoin billionaire. Can you look at IOTA and Algo? Yeah, is that your dream or are you really a Bitcoin billionaire? Algo, yeah, we looked at Algo. Algo looks really good. She's breaking out from the pattern we've been watching. She is getting stuck right now at 50. So if she can blow through 50, 75 is next. But right now you are at resistance on Algo. And I've said this many times. But I know you guys here on the channel, we're buying coins, we're holders. We're not traders. At least I'm not. But you are at resistance, and you could easily pull back and back test. And if we simply go from the high to the low here, yeah, you're not quite at the 786, so you could get a wick above the 786 here, or the 618, and hit the 786 at 51, 52, and then pull back all the way back down to the 382 to stay bullish over 37. So just keep that in mind on Algo. Unless you're going to get a daily close over this, 22 hours left on the candle. Now you got a 4-hour candle, 2 hours left. But you get the idea. But algo's doing what we've been waiting for it to do for a very long time. Did you say IOTA or IOTX? I know I have an IOTX. Well, I could have sworn we had an IOTA. IOTA, myota. I don't know where our chart went. If the chart's not on here, I can't add it. What am I spelling? IO. Yeah, someone was saying IO last night. Why don't we have an IOTA chart? Alright, let's keep it easy. We're gonna go to IO, go to the eyes. And there it is. Yeah, myota does not look bad here. Yet another one, strong move up, potential little bull flag falling wedge. She's pumping, she's over the 382 at 35.5. She's moving on up. So I'd keep it simple. You're over the 382, you're moving up, you're over the 236 now at 41. 41's now your support or your resistance, depending on where it's going to get stuck at. And then if it can get over 52, then it should start moving. But yeah, another one starting to break out of the little pattern it was in. What's up, Joey? Turbo and Phoenix. Polyswarm update, track update. Polyswarm. Yeah, Polyswarm is one of the ones we mentioned earlier. I think Jesus is going too. What's Jesus doing? Jesus is doing nothing. Quite yet. Polyswarm. Yeah, it's nice to see all you guys in here. Oh, Polyswarm broke support. This is what we've been warning of. But yeah, everyone in here, please hit the like button. It's going to help out a lot. Answer the poll. Hit the little hearts. I don't know if that helps or not. But we're slowly doing it here. We're live streaming every day, sometimes twice a day. Updates every day. Blew through 10K subscribers. We're almost halfway to 11K now. I think we're over halfway now. Track, Turbo and Phoenix. Yeah, we looked at Turbo and Phoenix. Turbo's doing nothing. Turbo's still sitting over the 007 level going sideways. Until that breaks, there's nothing to say on Turbo. 8.7 is your price to get back over. But as long as Turbo's over 007, it's been holding for a long time. But yeah, Polyswarm here just broke the 618, 382 low high support. No longer bullish. If it stays below 4.5, then we've been telling this, or been saying this for a while now. There's a good chance you're just coming back down to make the lower high. You just made the higher high off of the pump, and now it's time to make the higher low just to complete the market structure here. So all the way back down. Of course, we do have these couple of stops here. The double 0.5, 20% drop down to about 3. My voice is going out. And then the 618, of course, depends on how long you take to get down here. But the macro 382 is a 50% drop on Polyswarm. And Polyswarm was the one that we were saying. It was up here with a big green candle, and then I told you guys, careful, we just made the higher high, we just got above resistance, there's a good chance we're going to wick above and then get stuck and then come back down. And that's exactly what she's been doing now. Same thing with XCN right now, so be careful. Don't be greedy. Algo, oh, also, Algo's a good one. Oh, it's a dream. He says it's a dream. Bitcoin millionaire. Track? What is Track doing? Origin Trail. Yeah, I've always been bullish on Origin Trail. Just made a higher or lower high. I don't know what this is, but it did not play out. You just made a lower high. I don't know. Let's see here. Looks like you're coming back down to the 382. Looks like you got stuck at a 618 potentially. Let's see. Oh no, right at the 786. So you hit the 786 almost perfectly at 119, 120, and then she just fell. So you're right on the 382 right now. So any lower than 70, then you're coming back down here, of course. Macro 382 and the smaller 236. So 70 is your price to hold right now on Track. But like I said, it just made a lower high. It is still curled up and holding the structure here on the bottom. So if it can hold where it is, then you may have a shot. But you are still technically bullish over 60 here. Breakout confirmed once you finally get a weekly candle close. You can see they got stuck here. A weekly candle close over 146, 147, then you're officially in an uptrend. Yeah, we might as well just delete that. That's definitely going to hit a billion market cap. So Track here, new high 1272, 17.7 billion market cap is a 24x. Let's see the monthly. Yeah, it doesn't look bad on the monthly. If it holds here and makes a higher high, then you're in good shape. Velo. Yeah, Track's one of the ones that I need to get on there, and there's so many coins out now. I need to get on here and make so many different updates. Like update the charts. Because I still have people coming on the channel here commenting on videos that were like 2 or 3 months ago. And it's just like, come on, dude. Because you'll get comments, or I'll get comments like, this didn't age well, or something like that. And it's just like, this is like a weekly updated thing. You can't just look at a video from months ago and be like, because we never talked that far ahead. Yeah, Velo's another one. Velodrome, it made the higher high. Time to come back down to the trend. You're back below the 786 here. You're sitting right on the 618. So just keep it simple. Any lower than 11, then you're probably coming back down to the 0.5 to the trend at 87 here. It's that simple. We've seen this so many times to where, yeah, you're sitting on a 618.5. That once you complete what you needed to do, it's now time to come back and complete the rest of the mission, if you will. So it's time to come back down here and make a higher low, and then we'll make a higher high at some point. If you just look at the overall chart, it's just doing what it's doing. Until these things flip bullish and go vertical, until Ethereum starts running, until the dominance falls, we're not just going to go up and top out and that's it. Ethereum's still trying to hold the 786 here. Nice looking wick off of that candle. Still overloaded the high 382. So this is the same thing we saw on Bonk. The area we're getting stuck, making higher lows. So we'll see what happens here. There's still a good chance that alt season's not coming yet, even though it seems very close. Maybe we do this, come back down to the trend 618 at 2700, make our way back up, get stuck, come back down, and then next summer we finally go up. And then we keep comparing it to Bitcoin here. 101K. Oh, Bitcoin's breaking out. Going to the moon. But BTC, falling wedge pattern here, bull flag, whatever you want to call this. I see it as a big bull flag. But if we look at BTC on the monthly and zoom it back out, if it's going to go along the lines with Ethereum, we're sitting right on the 236 at 90, so 80K is still in place. So maybe we just chop around and come down, hit the trend once again like we did here, and we just hit 80K and then we go back up. And that would take us back into summertime, May, June. He says dominance is falling now. Where do you see XCN topping? We got AMR 501 for 10. I appreciate that, my man. Appreciate that a lot. Where do you see XCN topping out this bull run? Well, it's definitely not going to $1. At least I don't think it is. Not this cycle. I've seen a lot of people say they're selling at 10 cents. No, we're still getting stuck here. It's over. Monthly chart looks extremely bullish. I mean, I don't know. This thing's finally moving. Alt season hasn't started yet. Depends on where it's going to end up before alt season starts. Maybe it hits 25 cents higher high. Maybe you get a 43x out of XCN from where it is today. I mean, XCN's been dead for so long, as you can see here. Now it's finally waking up. Does not look bad at all, but really can't answer that. I've always said if I would have bought it down in that pattern, profit at the 618, which was a lot higher multiplier at 2, and then 5.5. But if you were around for us watching XCN down here in the bottom formation, final support pattern, these were a lot more because we were pointing out just to get to a penny. 9.5x, 2 pennies, we get you 18.5x, 5.5 pennies, 786 retracement in a bull market would be a 45x. So those have changed now that we're pumping. But if I was sold on the XCN and I didn't have to worry about the profit or money, and I was just going to let it ride, I'd probably just hold to a 786 retracement, not financial advice. 5.5, maybe you hit 10 cents and that's it. Maybe $1 in the future. What am I missing here? Still got 25 people in here. Jeez. Let's see. I forgot about XCN. Or XCN. What's up, William? Getting greedy and holding long term. Mr. Miggles. Yeah, I think DZ's right. XCN is copying what NCT did and so many others. Nice little pump to get you bullish and greedy, and then it's going down. Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with what you guys are saying. XCN, what is XCN? Yeah, Jeff, that's funny that you said that. I was just thinking about that earlier. I was thinking, whatever happened to Zcash and Zen? I was just thinking about that this morning. I'm typing it in now. Zcash and Zen. What the heck is Zen? Let's see. This must be something new. What is this? We've looked at it, but does not look great at all. Zen. So for this thing to confirm bottom is in, it needs to get over, what is that, 7 or 8 zeros, 5, 6. There's nothing bullish on this chart at all. Only thing you can say positive is it's holding the 618 at 116 here, holding higher lows. So this should be the bottom. If not, it's run the risk of breaking the structure and then coming down even lower. So 116 is your price to hold. Bullish over 187, and then bottom confirmed in on the macro over 5.6 here. Bullish over 2.4. I don't know what this is. Holy crap. Holy mother of Jesus. What is Zen? What is this rubbish you showed me? What is this? It's trying to get me bullish with the multipliers here. $200x to a 618 retracement in a bull market up to 4025. Yeah, what is this? Oh my lord. Yeah, someone tell me what XCN is. Yeah, we've looked at Miggles before. Was that the Coinbase meme coin or something? Mr. Miggles to 0. Oh man, we haven't looked at this in forever. This looks horrible. You could argue it's in this steep channel, but geez. Low to the high, you just hit the... Damn it. 618 and you bounced. Hold on. It's ridiculous. Alright, let's get a fresh look at Mr. Miggles. I hate that I don't have the 3-day chart right now. If you guys want to send super chats, someone just cash at me. Cash app in the description. That way I can fix this trading view for the streams tomorrow and the rest of the week. Jeez. high to the low, you're over the 618. You're in this very large downward channel on Mr. Miggles here. Would I buy Mr. Miggles? Probably not. There's better options. Mr. Miggles. You're holding the point, 0.5618. Just, it doesn't look good here. Only good positive thing you could say is this new trend in play is holding. Potentially the bottom. Yeah, we don't have a chart for Mr. Miggles. So Mr. Miggles, new high 1272 at about 25 or 24 cents would be a 4.5x. Just got to remember there's so many coins out there now and so many meme coins out there now. Not all of them are going to run. Depends on if this one has a community. If I remember correctly, it is the Coinbase. What is it? Coinbase meme coin. Yeah, it's DGen. Is XCN still getting stuck? But I mean, Mr. Miggles here, if this is the correct chart, this is the MEXC chart, July of 2024. It hasn't really done anything. Not a perfect chart. It's going sideways pretty much. So if they got a large community and a large Twitter following and people are going to buy this thing. Like I said, I don't have the chart. I don't have the market caps. I don't know what the market cap is. The supply is. Another one we need to build a chart for. There's just so many cryptos out there, it's hard to keep up. Oh, yeah. XRP's pushing up again. So is XRP going to flip ETH? What's the deal with that? If you want a coin that hasn't ran, XCN is it? XCN, yeah. It's got some good multipliers on it. I'm gonna have to look into that. Surprised we had a chart for it. Zen. No, what was the other coin? Zcash and no, I don't know. Did you say Zen or ZC? Or that is Zcash. Oh, we don't have a chart for Zcash. So I was thinking of the same coin, Zcash. I forgot about Zcash. This is junk. Even if this Swift coin will go higher. Jeff is laughing. So Zcash is the same thing as what I was thinking. How much do you need for TradingView to pay? Oh man. Yeah, I forgot it came through again. Just like I did last month and you saved me. I need my paycheck to come through. It's taking forever. But it's 20. 20 to get TradingView back up and running so we can add coins. That's why I said if anyone wants to send super chat, just send a Cash App. But we have 19 people left in here. Oh no, computer says we're not responding. What's up, Cha? Come on. Yeah, that AIXBT coin. I did an update on the channel for it, so go maybe check it out. But that thing's just bullish as it can be. Is it on Coinbase though? XRP will absolutely flip ETH. It's starting to look like it. Yeah, if Miggle stays at where it is now, like I said, it hasn't done anything. I know it's a big coin. It'll do well. Just look at the weekly overall chart, little bitty chart here. It's holding the trend, higher highs, higher lows. I've seen big influencers talk about Mr. Miggles, so Mr. Miggles is going to perform well. Just as it where it's going, I have no idea because I have to go do the research on it. But it has done nothing, is my point. So coins that just came out and they've really done nothing. First bull run here. It has the potential to go vertical. Zcash is a dinosaur. Yeah, I forgot about Zcash. DGen is pumping. Is it really? If it is, then I guess we're doing pretty good here. Because we've been saying DGen's holding up strong. Overall macro, it looks good. Big old double bottom pattern here off of our support box on trend. Yeah, DGen's gonna pump again. No worries. I wouldn't worry about it. But yeah, tomorrow if we get the trading view fixed again, I'm gonna have to write that down. I forget every month it comes on the 15th. And then I get on trading view, try to do updates and live streams, and it's all these ads and I can't add anything. It's just annoying. One day I'll be back on my feet to where this doesn't interfere. We're getting there. I'm just gonna go put $100 on Anita Max Win and Blue Foster, and then we're back. Held Zcash in 2021, made a decent profit. Yeah, so is Zcash gonna run this cycle? What was the other one? There's another old coin that's like right on the tip of my brain that I can't think of what it's called. It's not Monero. What is Monero's ticker? XMR, there we go. Oh, I can't add it. Dang it, Bobby. God dang it, Bobby. Monero's another old one. Neo. You guys remember Neo? Alright, how long have we been on here? Another 2 hour live stream? I think we went through a lot. Zcash, Monero, Dash, Digibyte, Monero. What else is there? I don't know. I can't think of them right now. It's been too long. There's another one though, but I can't put my tongue on it. I can't remember what it was. Maybe I'll find it later. But yeah, I guess we'll end it at that. We'll see what tomorrow has to bring. Let me end the goal. You're about to say Digibyte. Yeah, there's another coin though, but I can't remember what it's called. Another coin that was big back in the day. $58% said they're making money. Yeah, I can't remember it right now. We'll remember it tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, when we get back on here, we'll see where XCN's dropping down to. Yeah, Dash, Digibytes. I think I have it on my Exodus wallet. I have an Exodus wallet that has an old coin on it. It's the old version of it. I have a couple coins left, but I can't trade it because I need ETH gas fees to get them out, transfer it to the new contract. But I cannot remember what it is. I don't know. We'll figure it out tomorrow. But yeah, I think we went through a lot. Another good stream and a little bit of more bullish stream today. We'll get back on here tomorrow, see if XCN and XRP and Algo and all these coins are still going to the moon. No, not Tether. But I appreciate you guys coming in here. Aptos, no one likes Aptos. We don't have a APT, right? Oh yeah, we do have a chart. Last one of the night, APT. Let's see here. Oh, APT looks like Blue Zell. That just looks horrible. It looks horrible, but it looks good. Big old triangle pattern here. It's done nothing in forever. We do not have a proper chart, so we can't do a proper analysis on APT. But one potentially could pump. I guess we went over this already. Nice little move out of here. Do a 5x, hit the 786, and then pull back and back test. But yeah, right now, since I can't do a new chart on it, overall it's just going sideways. Big old triangle pattern on Aptos. I don't know, do people still use Aptos? Alright, but yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. Second live stream, 2-hour live stream. Everyone, please hit the like button on the way out. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the support, the super chats, and all you guys bring to the table here. Wow, are you kidding me? Vision is streaming again, second time of the day. Damn, I didn't know that. We could have had more people in here. Alright, I appreciate you guys. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.